Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this mason jar cotton. First, I'm going to go in and just base coat my mason jar in the color rustic red. And next, I'm going to go in and base coat my cotton at the top in the color fluff. And you could definitely just wait for this to dry before you do the cotton part, but I went in and just kind of wiped off some of the red paint so that I would be able to go ahead and add my like the different little sections of my cotton balls so that it wouldn't mix with the red paint too much. And then where I wiped that paint off, I'll just go in and touch that up. And now I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some black paint. And I'm going to begin to outline everything, starting on my mason jar. And then I'm going to go over all of those black sections and I'm going to highlight them with cotton. Following this, I'm going to go in with the color chocolate and begin to add all the detailing on my cotton balls. And I'm still using a number 4 round for this. And then once I'm done with the chocolate part, I'm just going to go in and add my little stems. And then I'm going to go in with the color putty and go over my stems to just add another color and highlight them a little bit. And I'm still using that number 4 round for this step as well. And then once I'm done with my putty color, which is just this pretty light tan, I will be done with this project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I look forward to watching you guys recreate this, and have a wonderful day.